I've got my Allure box for the month of September. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. Allure is a beauty box. It has samples and full size. It is put out by Allure magazine, and it's some of their editors' top choices. Here is your sneak peek. I already see one product that I just got in my Trend Mood box, but I'm not mad about it. Let's see what it is. It is the anti-chafe stick by First Aid Beauty. It's 0.35 ounces, so it is not a full size. A full size is 1.7 ounces for $20. It says it glides like a duck on water along a sensitive inner thigh area. And basically helps, like if you're doing a lot of walking, it helps with that chafing. So, you know, you're taking a trip to Disney, this is what you want to bring with you. All right, our first product is a full size, and this is not an expensive but exciting product for me because you know I am a hair fanatic. So this is the Masking and Relaxing Moisture Scalp Mask. And it says it also balances and detoxes. It's for all hair types. It is 4 ounces, $11.99. It's by TPH. I've never heard of that brand before. After you wash your hair, you're going to put this in. You're going to kind of section off your scalp or your hair, put it in your scalp, rub it in, let it sit for 3 minutes, and then rinse it out. It says it gives it a deep clean. Next, by Flannery, I'm guessing that is. Oh, I didn't tell you. Let's see. Does this say? It doesn't say. It's made in the U.S. It is vegan. This here is made in the U.S. It's vegan. It's cruelty-free. SLS, SLES free, phthalate free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and silicone free. All the frees we like. All right, Flannery is the Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. Ooh. This is a cruelty-free brand. This is a full size at 1 ounces, and it 1.01 ounce, and it's a $79 value, this little tiny tube here. It's got hyaluronic acid to nourish, an antioxidant-rich jojoba oil, and moisturizing glycerin. And it says skin will feel soft as silk with consistent use. By Caudalie is the Premier Crew Eye Cream. A full size is 5 milliliters. We know this is not 5 milliliters. This is 0.1 ounce. This pampers delicate skin with plumping hyaluronic acid and hydrating avocado oil, and you can use day or night. Full size is $28. By Tease Cosmetics is the Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blush in Mauve. This is a $22 value. That doesn't look real mauvey though. It looks more pink to me. I mean, in here it almost looks brown, but it is a pinky shade. It's nice and soft. There it is on my hand, so I like that. Definitely get use out of that. By Kristen S. is an oversized scrunchie in either cheetah or rust. I, of course, got cheetah because they know how much I love animal print. But it's big, and I'll use it anyway. There it is. It's got quite a tight elastic in there. I'm surprised at how tight that elastic is. This is an $11.99 value, and you can get it at Target. And last, by Style Edit, is the Root Concealer Touch-Up Spray in medium blonde, medium brown, dark brown, or auburn. So they sent me the Blonde Perfection, and that's probably from the profile, because you do a profile with this. and my hair was blonde at the time, and it's probably still mostly blonde, but it is a little bit more red up here. So this is a travel size, and this size is $14.99, and you can get it on Amazon, and it says it does like give your roots a fresh from salon look until the next time you wash your hair. So that's what I got in my Allure box. Wasn't the best box this month, but still a good box. They are advertising their Best of Beauty box for $79. And here's a little sneak peek at what you'll get in there. You do have to be a member. It does say it's a $321 value. And it looks like some nice things in there. I'm not going to get it, but it does look like it's got some nice items in there. All right. Well, let me know your thoughts. What are you thinking about this box? It is, I think I pay around $21 or $28 a month, something like that. I think it's around $21. And, you know, for $25 or $28, $30 now, you know, you're getting 5 items in BoxyCharm. So it is, you know, it is up there. I do have it for a year. I don't know if I'm going to renew it, but I do generally like the products in there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens when it's time to renew. All right. Well, thank you for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.